All right, hey, this is Hans with another episode of non-spicy noodle mukbang. This is the show where you get to watch me eat something interesting. This is the crazy rich ramen from a-sha, and I figured that it's crazy, you know? I ought to eat it, right? You might want to see what I think about it while I eat it. So, I figured there's 8 packs. This normally retails for 200 bucks, $1.99. So basically, this is a $25 serving of noodles. And it seems like it would be a horrible waste to just like throw this down the drain. So I can't do that on this one. This sounds fascinating. And I've tasted it. And what I've tried, I really liked. So I've added chashu and raw egg yolk, some scallion, the gold leaf, the truffle oil, the truffle sauce, some sesame seed. This is a-sha's knife cut noodle. It's a very wide dry noodle. Has a nice center line and a thinner edge. It's good stuff. And yeah, I figured I would eat a little bit for you so you could enjoy that. I don't know if on the rotating platform is going to be very logical. I'm going to move the rotating platform here. So there we are. That's a little better. But yeah, look at this stuff. You might be wondering, why would you add an egg yolk in it? Because it makes it richer. It adds a niceness to it. I was kind of worried that adding the truffle sauce would make this stuff way too salty, but it really doesn't. It's really good. The gold, that's a trippy little add-in. But yeah. Oh, what was I watching? I think they're calling it Crazy Rich Ramen because there's a movie called Crazy Rich Asians. I've never seen it, and I was like, So I looked up a clip from it, and there, I've only seen now I've seen a clip from the movie, and there was a line in it that was great. They're like all sitting and having a dinner or a lunch. I think it was a lunch scene. So they're all sitting at this fancy table eating their lunch, and 2 little kids there. And the guy's like, no, you gotta finish your chicken nuggets that are starving people in the United States. I thought that was like one of the funniest things I've ever heard. Here is the chashu I make, homemade. There are plenty of videos showing how I make this. What I could do, I could do that. Once I'm done and I'm doing the editing, I can do a counter of how many bites of this I have, and then divide it by $25, and then a cost per bite analysis. Divide $25 by that number, rather. I'm not really great at math. I never got past algebra. Yeah. I like numbers. Nothing wrong with numbers. But yeah, that noodle, I swear, a lot of people use this noodle, and I think this is the noodle to use. This noodle also lends itself very well to varieties, and you know, with a broth. Very good. It's so nice to actually eat a really good noodle that's not just like a spicy mukbang. I like spicy food, but man, the only noodles I've been really eating a lot of lately have been spicy, so. And honestly, usually what you see me eat on the show is what I have. So if this weren't a super special one, I would have done the recipe and then tried the noodle. And that's all, and the rest would have gone down the drain. So no waste today. But yeah, the truffle thing works. It's really good. Yeah, my plan is to get some stuff edited. And go for a walk. That was good. That was really good. Well, dry noodles aren't fried. I don't think any of a-sha's stuff is fried. I think they came out with a fried one way back. Did they? I don't even think they... I don't remember. I thought they did. Maybe they didn't. But non-fried Taiwanese noodles are the bomb. So if you can get some and give them a try. Yeah, I'm going to go try to walk 10 miles, though. It does look like it's rainy. Yeah, I don't know. It'll happen or it won't. Hopefully it's not raining hard. But yeah, a 10-mile hike in the rain, that'd burn this off. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.